This is a second-hand KUBOTA U55 hydraulic crawler excavator. The KUBOTA U55 excavator is equipped with the original KUBOTA V2607-3.5 engine. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. Excavator bucket and matching dump clamp. Boom swing function. Power is 35.5 kilowatt. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,650 kilogram. Widely used in construction and farm. Zero tail swing. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Many excavators are flexible in operation.